Eden Remediation Services is a specialty subsurface remediation company founded and based in the U.S. Eden offers in-situ and ex-situ chemical and enhanced bioremediation solutions to aid consultants and end users in site restoration. Their company offers solutions unique to each site, including initial remedial evaluation, source area testing, bench scale treatability testing, design, and field execution. Their professionals are well acquainted with the pitfalls of soil and groundwater remediation and understand that combined remedial solutions are often required. Eden Remediation was founded by Ken Summerhour, who has designed and successfully remediated hundreds of sites over the course of his career. In the early 2000s, Mr. Summerhour began to utilize in-situ chemical oxidation and combined ISCO-enhanced bioremediation injections applications, which resulted in rapid site closure at lower cost than conventional fixed-based remediation solutions. Not only are they based in the U.S., but they've worked on sites outside the U.S., including Africa.